Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video I'm going to unbox iPhone 15. Guys, I purchased this iPhone from Amazon in Amazon Great Indian Festival. So let's begin. This is box. And guys, I purchased in matte black color. Now unbox. First, I talk about accessories. This is Type-C to Type-C charge cable. And this is documentation. SIM ejector tool and documentation. Guys, as we know, charger adapter and headphones not included in box. Now I will side accessories and box, and you can see matte black color. This is really awesome. Guys, you can see right side lock button, and in downside you can see speakers and Type-C port. This is mic, and left side is you can see volume rockers, and this is ring or silent switch. You can see. Now I will turn on. Guys, you can see this is 6.1 inch Super Retina XDR display with 60Hz refresh rate. And this device powered by A16 Bionic chip and include 48 main camera and 12 megapixel ultra wide camera. Guys, in box iOS 18, but after I check software updates, now iOS 26 liquid glass stable update available for iPhone 15. Then I update my device, and you can see this is completely liquid glass UI. Guys, in front side you can see true depth front camera with 12 megapixel sensor. Guys, I'm going to make complete detailed video of iPhone 15's camera. So guys, this is quick unboxing, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.